उन्होंने किया हुआ है। कहीं ना कहीं माओवादी।
Okay, all right. Thanks for giving me that information. My colleague Brian Thomas has spoken to Dr. Raj Bharadwaj on the rise in the COVID cases across India. It is at this point in time that there are over 1,000 active cases across India. Listen in.
One is the one which is more often causing the spread of infection in the country, and that is the one where sequencing is going on to find out more about this virus.
Should the public be scared about it, or is there a panic situation, or is it calm? Is it better? What is the situation right now on ground?
So I'm glad you're asking this question, because in a situation like this, there are three questions that we need to ask ourselves. One is, does the virus have a growth advantage? That means, is it more rapidly transmissible as compared to others? Secondly, is there a vaccine escape? And thirdly, how severe are the symptoms that the virus causes? And these are the three things that our viewers would also want to know. So as far as that is concerned, WHO has categorically mentioned about these variants. Number one, there is no growth advantage. That is, this variant is not more infective than others. It is not more transmissible than others. Number two is vaccine. The vaccine which we have used, this virus is susceptible to that vaccine. There is no vaccine escape as far as this variant is concerned. And number three is severity of disease. We have found out this variant does not cause very severe disease. So fortunately, we are not very perturbed about this. The health authorities are not very perturbed. But of course, we have to be very careful.
And so my very last question to you would be, what would be the symptoms of this new variant, and what are the do's and don'ts that you would want our viewers to know?
Thank you so much, because that's a good question and viewers would want to know. So the main symptom is a sore throat, cough, nasal congestion, tiredness, and body ache. These are the main symptoms, and if you remember, these were the symptoms which any viral fever has. So initially it becomes very confusing to find out whether this is a simple virus, is it a flu virus, is it COVID-19? And we can do a simple RT-PCR or a swab test to find out and determine whether it is COVID or not. As far as precautions and treatment is concerned, again, our advisory to our patients and to our viewers has been, do not self-medicate, do not start antibiotics on your own, do not panic. This is a disease which is viral in origin. Antibiotics have no role to play. Please follow normal precautions that were taught to you during COVID times. And the two most important precautions are, maintain a distance of 6 meters from others and wash your hands frequently. In crowded places, wear a mask, particularly if you're in a metro or in a lounge or in a waiting area or in a mall or in a crowded shopping place. Wear a mask which prevents you from catching an infection and protects others from you as well.
And are you also suggesting the viewers, the public, the patients to, if they feel these symptoms are there, they should also immediately visit their nearest clinics or doctors itself?
I think that's a very good suggestion. If you have the first sign and symptoms of a viral infection, history of travel to areas where the virus is more rapidly spread, and if you have symptoms like fever, cough, cold, upper respiratory tract infection, body ache, visit your nearest specialist to get a test done and to diagnose this condition, more so for yourself and for others in the family, particularly the elderly, diabetics, those who are asthmatic, and for young vulnerable children in your household.
And lastly, as a doctor yourself, a message to the viewers who are watching you on television right now.
If you have not been vaccinated, make sure you are vaccinated. Avoid going out to crowded places. In case you have to go, make sure that you maintain a distance of 6 meters from others. Wear a mask as far as possible. Do not venture out unless and until it's really necessary. And do not be scared in case you catch the infection. Do not self-medicate with unnecessary medication. The disease runs a mild course and you will be all right very soon.
Actor Dino Moria has reached the economic